In this lecture, we will learn about how to convert binary numbers to its equivalent octal form or octal number. Let's take an example here. This binary number 110100111101, and we need to convert it into its equivalent octal format. So write down the number as shown here and divide the bits into group of 3. Now why group of 3? So the base or radix of a octal number system is 8, and here we need to convert it into octal number. So, and we're dealing with a binary number, right? So the base of binary number is 2. So 2 raised to n is equals to 8. So here n must be 3, right? That's why as 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So that's why we make group of 3 digits, and then we will convert it into its equivalent octal form. So let's see it one by one. So start from LSB, least significant bit, which is the rightmost bit of a binary number, and go towards MSB, which is the most significant bit, leftmost bit of a binary number. So start from LSB, make group of 3 bits, then in the next 3, then the next 3, and next 3. Now here the last bits are not 3 but 2, so we will add 1 0 from the left to the last numbers or to the last group. So this is how it will look. Now this is the 3-bit binary number representation for the octal numbers. Now as we learned that from 0 to 7 the octal numbers and its decimal number representation are exactly same. So we know that how to convert decimal to binary number. So these are the binary equivalent numbers for the respective octal numbers or decimal numbers, you can say, but for here we will consider octal number because we want to convert it into octal format. So what you have to do is just go by group, and for instead of this binary, replace it with octal representation. So let's start with this group. So 101, so where is 101? This here. So this is for 5, so 5 will be here. Then next is a 011, which is for 3, so 3. Next is a 010, so 010 is for 2, and 011 is for 3, so 3. So then we got this numbers, and now we just have to concatenate this or join this, so we get the octal equivalent for the given binary number here. So for this given binary number we get our 3235 octal representation. Here is a small animation about the whole process. So we are dividing into 4 groups of 3 bits, and here we get our answer. So this is how we convert any binary number to its equivalent octal form.